Hello, my friends. This is Beth Aidlott, your instructor for Writing 122. I have already posted a video, Welcome to the Class, that I made last summer. It's still true. Please watch it. Please look at it. Important information for you. But I wanted to record a special welcome now in the middle of the coronavirus crisis. I am grateful that y'all are continuing on with your education, even though you're probably sequestered at home as I am. This course was always intended to be online, so there's nothing that has changed. And please rest assured that the support that Lane is offering is still there in terms of computer help, in terms of writing center help. Everything has just been moved totally online. So all is good, all is great. I can't meet you in my office this term, but I am certainly available by email. And if you won't, we can Zoom, we can Skype, we can FaceTime, we can talk on the phone, we can text. Anything you need, I am here for you. So be strong, be healthy, and welcome to the class.